You're only a touch away from the mastery of a barista, automatically. Introducing the Oracle Jet, the benchmark redefined. Enjoy third wave specialty coffee at home easier than ever. Powered by ThermoJet, our fastest and most efficient heating system. It's ready to go in seconds. Embrace automation at every stage with the 5-inch responsive touchscreen. Simply select from the menu of cafe favourites with new, refreshing cold brew and cold espresso. Take the hassle out of grinding, dosing and tamping with a clever system that does all the work for you. Using Baratza European Precision Burrs with 45 grind settings, it tamps 22 grams into the professional-style portafilter, creating a flawless finish. Achieve an optimised extraction with the precise ThermoJet heated group head. It delivers 93 degrees above the puck, with professional level accuracy and temperature stability in every brew. For more convenience, automatically queue your milk to start once the brew is complete with auto queue. Mastering the art of silky smooth microfoam has never been easier thanks to Auto Milk. Simply select from dairy, soy, almond or oat, with ideal milk temperatures and textures for each. Experience the new stunning design, available in a range of luxe colours. The Oracle Jet, setting a new standard in automation, performance and speed. You're a touch away from mastery with Breville.